Java versus Python. Which one is faster? It's a debate I have seen many times. So let me clear it up for everyone. In short, Java wins. Not 2 times, not 5 times. It's literally 100 times faster than Python at peak performance. Let me show you why. Both start equal, but Java accelerate from C1 to C2. Python never moves. Think of it, two cars on a highway. Java's engine upgrades itself while driving. First turbo, then rocket. Python's engine stays stock forever. Let me explain those factors. First and the biggest factor is just-in-time compilation. At first call, both interpret, but at call 200, Java C1 jumps in and it becomes 3 times faster. At call 10k, Java C2 jumps in and it gets native speed, where Python is still at same speed as call 1. Java's JVM watch your code run, find the hot method and compile them to raw CPU instruction, like a driver who memorize every shortcut after 10,000 trips. Python has no JIT. It reads the instruction manual from page 1 on every single trip. So the millionth call is exactly slow as fast. Now the second point, static versus dynamic typing. In Java, the compiler already knows every variable type at the compile time. So x plus y become a single CPU add instruction, done. In Python, every operation at runtime asks what type it is. Can I do this? What's the result type? And so on. It's nearly 50 checks before doing one simple addition. Even the memory layout, a Java int is just 4 bytes sitting on a stack or a CPU register. No wrapping, no overhead, no garbage collection needed. Where a Python int is a full-blown object sitting on the heap. Type pointer 8 bytes, reference counter 8 bytes, value 8 bytes, object header 4 bytes, in total 28 bytes for a single number. Even if you compare real thread versus GIL, Java is the winner. Java creates real OS thread that runs locally in parallel. 8 core means 8 threads doing work simultaneously. Python's global interpreter log is just like a single lane bridge. No matter how many cars are waiting, only one can cross at a time. So 7 core sits completely idle in an 8 core CPU. Even if you compare the garbage collection, Java is still the winner. Java's modern GCs run in the background while your app keeps serving requests. Pause time under 1 millisecond. It's hard to notice. But Python increment or decrement a counter on every single object assignment and periodically stop everything to find circular references. Simple to understand but slow at scale. Even in this bar chart, you can see Java dominate in HTTP throughput, JSON parsing, pure computation, and memory efficiency. The only bar where Python wins is the startup time because there is no JVM to boot. That's it. That's the only win. But if you use Graal VM, then even startup drop to millisecond. Python wins nothing. Now the question is when Python still makes sense. Python is perfect for quick script, automation, and glue code where development speed matters than the execution speed. When people say Python is fast for machine learning, Python is not doing the math. TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, they are written in C++ or CUDA. Python just call them. Here you can see the complete picture. In short, Java learns your code, compile it to a raw machine code. Python never learns. It just reread the manual on every single trip forever. Thanks guys for watching.